So today is 10th day. So we'll be working on few more improvement. But before that, let's move to the existing application and see what are the things which are there. In the generate build, we have modified the UI and this plus icon in the center. And now if you see the ID, stock, price, the size and all that also captured on the screen, so that will be more easy. If I'm searching by the any specific word and all, so it will getting those only results available on the screen, item screen. So this is the modified version. And if I go to inventory, similar way, screens are captured here. Same search module like we have configured in this area. So to get more pretty much like a smooth experience. So this is what the plan is. And search is working on, let me just open this. Search is working on all these three sections. This is just temporary data which I imported and from the Google only. So I created one sheet and tried importing all the data so that I'll get some certain similar kind of experience. So this is something which is there, and then I go to if this particular item, this is the UI which I captured here so that maximum things are visible. If you see the overview, product type, category, quantity, and everything is captured here. At the zero quantity also, then also I am able to capture the data. Why? Because I'll tell you that in the report, because if there is something which is come with the zero quantity, that should also captured in the inventory, total inventory. So total inventory cost is right now XYZ, and the if you see the zero one is also there. So I need to get like I'll get the idea what exactly product which we don't have in the category, like as per the categorization. So otherwise, if I remove manually, automatically, then this will go blank. So this category will not reflect. The one and car accessory, this will not reflect. So that's why I kept that one. So in case if I want to remove anything, I can just go ahead and just select multiple record and delete it. That's the easy way. In the report, today's sell by the category. If I sell something, let me try to show you. If I sell something, and that will capture here. So if I go here, try to let me just try. It's showing 0, 0. Okay, just try to add this. This and I'll give 5% discount here, 10% discount here, and 0.50. So 0.50 adjust here. The bill generate print save. Now bill is generated successfully. Let me try to open the bill from the file. This is the POS printer type of bill. So you'll get all the information in the which is basically used for the barcode printing and the POS printing, the cash till printer. So that type of bill is this, and yep. So we get all the information here. I removed the 0.50 to round off the price, and now if I go to report, today's sale by category, it's capturing. So this is the view. Remaining reports I can modify in the bottom, and we can utilize that. Backup and restore, same feature. You can extract the entire backup and import the entire backup along with the customer database. Here also the last visit date, this particular thing. So that is also getting updated. Things are there is no issue with that. So right now things are working smoothly. Um, Along with that, if you go in the customer database and the shop details, yeah, shop details also, like I tried modifying again and again, and it's getting things are getting captured on the bill. So that's the motive, right? So things are working, and let me try to move now to the today's plan. So what we are going to do today? So today we'll be updating a bill type. So currently there is no way to capture is that a cash, is that card, or is that UPI. So that we need to modify, and so that we will get idea what exactly big type was. And then the second point was restrict the item addition while the quantity is zero. So right now when you say, like you see, like there are item which with the zero quantity, and on the bill I am able to add that. So it's not adding the value actually. So that's what the thing is, even it's not reducing anything amount from the total quantity. So there is some glitch, so I need to work on that. So I need to build certain thing to mitigate that area. Then restrict item when the quantity is more than inventory value. So if the inventory value is 5, and if I'm giving option like in the quantity, if I'm saying okay, let's add 10 quantity of that, it should stop adding that. Like it should give certain message so that people will get to know, okay, we don't have that much quantity in the record. So that's the plan. And the last one is the update the last visit date field. So that one is basically, right now the field name is different and capturing the data it's the different. So basically we are capturing entire date and time, and the field name is basically only for the date. So that's the plan. So let me show you. So the build type will be capturing somewhere here, like is that a cache or is that a card? So on top we'll try to give the option. Then the second one will be this one. When we click on the add, these are the zero quantity item. So we'll still able to add those. So we need to restrict that. Again, if the quantity is zero, we'll still able to say okay, five numbers. So and not giving any option. So and even we are able to see the final price. So it's the glitch. We'll try to fix that. Here, the customer database. We see the RAM, and last visit date is date along with the time. So we need to customize this. So that's it. So let's start working on it. I'll give you like I'll start developing this particular area and I'll show you the final version. So let's see everything what we have done so far. In the generate build tab, if I click on plus the zero item, okay. If I click on that, so it will say its item is out of stock. See, the same message. And if I wanted to add specific item, okay, this one I added again, this one I added again. There is one more item which I added, this one. Okay, now if I wanted to go ahead and add this one item with say 5 quantity, there was a 2 quantity only. So this is also getting updated. Now if I generate the bill, there is a cache option, generate print, saved, and in the inventory, these items are getting reduced. So now this was 2 and now it's 1. So this is working smoothly. Now if I go into PDF, okay, this is something which is getting captured, but there is no for like a cache and card. That one is not captured here, so we need to develop that to capture that information in bill. And let's move to the application. So in the customer database, go to this one. Okay, if I go this one, yes, everything is captured. So date, visibility, date and time, this is also done. So yeah, things are working well, and we are able to capture the data. Now let's move to the next one, which is generate bill PDF, and in the inside the PDF we require that cache the transaction option. Okay, so let me start working on it. I'll update you quickly once it's done. I hope you are also enjoying this. This is something which I'm creating as a documentary, and I think I'm done with the code, the development part. The if I add specific bill, let me just try to find item which is there in the list. Yeah, this one. Again, if I go a little bit down, okay, I'll select this one. Then again, further down, select this one, and I will generate the bill. Let me just try to give some discount, and let's say add 4 and generate bill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. I'll say card. No, I'll say UPI. Generate print, save. Now let me go to the files and this is the bill. Payment mode is also captured, ID is also captured. So we have everything captured here. You can see the subtotal, additional discount, and total amount, total saving. I think we are good, right, on the bill part. So everything is captured here. Now moving to the report section. So yep, here's the report. If you see, the UPI is also captured and cash already tried. So everything is getting captured. So now this thing is handy. So if someone wanted to see the sale, like how much sale we have done for today, and he can capture the cash and UPI transaction. If there's something done by the card, everything he can capture here. So till now, I think we are good. All the features are working, and we'll see something. We'll try to improve something by tomorrow, and we'll plan out accordingly. So that's it for today. We'll connect tomorrow. Thank you.